Hey guys, so Miss Martin's going to show you thesis statements today, okay? So when we do thesis statements, let me grab a marker. We have to do them very specifically. There's a very special format for thesis statements, okay? And we have to follow it every time we do one for argumentative essays. So a thesis statement is the big boy and big girl version of a topic sentence, okay? So you have been taught how to do topic sentences since you were in, what, third, fourth grade? Okay, you've been doing them this whole time. That is to prepare you to write a thesis statement, okay? So a thesis statement follows this format. You have your position, plus your reasons, and then a counter, okay? So there's 1, 2, 3 parts to a thesis statement every time. So what would your thesis statement look like for your argumentative essay? Let me show you. So your thesis statement is going to probably sound something like this. Effective leaders should be blank and blank because blank. Although some would disagree. Okay, so let's break that down just a little bit further. Let me grab some more markers so I can color code this. If I see that, can we see that example pretty good, not in the way? Okay. So here's your example. Effective leaders should be blank and blank because blank, although some would disagree. Now then, the first 2 blanks would be your reasons, right? So whatever traits you think make a good leader. So I've been looking at your assignment that you turned in with your notes, and I've seen a lot of, well, leaders should be good listeners, leaders should be successful, leaders should be brave, etc., etc. So those are the 2 things that would go here. Pick 2, okay? When you get a little, more advanced in your writing, you're going to do 3 reasons, always. But for now, we're just going to stick to 2 because we're learning together, right? And then your because is why you think those traits make a good leader, okay? You've got to have your because, okay? You got to explain yourself, right? And then your although some would disagree, that's your counter, okay? So you've got your position. We're going to underline that in pink. Hopefully you all can see that. I think you can. So that's your position. Effective leaders should be blank and blank, either brave and smart or, successful and hardworking, whatever. Okay, whatever traits you think, okay? But the pink is your position, okay? Your reasons, your reasons are your because, okay? So, and part of your whatever traits, okay? That's underlined in blue. Your reasons, your 2 reasons are your because and your 2 traits, okay? The because is crucial. And then your counter is that although, okay? And that's in purple. That's what I'm underlining in purple, okay? So really, I'm gonna erase that. Your because is, again, your reasons, okay? Your effective leader should be blank and blank is your position. That's the stance you take. That's what a position means. And then your although some would disagree, that's your counter. So a counter argument is where you give the other side, okay? You give the other side of the issue. That's this purple part, okay? It's going to have its own paragraph in your final essay where you're going to have to kind of show the other side, but we haven't got to that yet. I'm just showing you what needs to go in your thesis, okay? What that needs to look like. So here's the breakdown. This is the exact format you should follow to make it easier on you, okay? And I hope you have, if you have any questions, that you will tell Miss Martin and let me know, okay? All right, guys, be good.